Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Roscher. I've been in private dental practice for 35 years. And several years ago, I was introduced to TrollFoil articulating foil. I've used that product since that time, and I don't think I'll ever change. The reason being, to me, TrollFoil is simple perfection. Let me explain why. Starting with its delivery system. They come individual pieces stacked nicely in this little container that fit nicely in any cabinet or drawer or countertop. I can reach in and take one articulating foil at a time. I'm not putting my finger on any ink. I don't get ink on my gloves, I don't get ink on my clothes, and for sure I don't get ink on my patient where I don't want it to be. Okay, then I take this little protective piece off and you're ready to go. The articulating foil has its own semi-rigid frame that allows me to place this in my patient's mouth as far back as wisdom teeth, and it of course marks an upper and lower teeth. The really nice thing about this product is its marking ability, because that's what articulating foil is all about. This leaves very distinct marks without leaving phantom marks. It's ultra thin with very evenly inked. It also marks very nicely on less than ideally dry surfaces. But let me just show you a demonstration on my patient Brooke. Brooke, I'm going to ask you to open. First, I like to take a little air water syringe and dry the surfaces that I'm about to mark. A person can use a cotton roll or a gauze to do that. I take my foil and I place it back, and I have Brooke tap, tap, tap. There. And there, if you want to take a look at the beautiful distinct marks, both upper and lower, that this foil leaves. I mentioned to you earlier that it works in a less than ideally dry surface. Let me show that. I'm going to ask you to wet your teeth. Okay, now not drying at all. I'm going to still place this foil over the teeth and have her tap, tap, tap. There. Take a look for yourself. The marks look identical to the ones that are on the dry surface. It really is very hard to keep surfaces totally dry, as you know, and it's very nice that this is so consistent. We use articulating paper in about almost every procedure that I do in my office. It's so nice to have a product like TrollFoil that is so consistent and so simple that I don't have to think anything about it. It's a real joy to use this product.